Vajrayogini is a very important meditational deity of the Sarma traditions of the Tibetan Buddhism and of the art of the Himalayas. It's very common to find Vajrayogini depicted in art as a major figure or as a minor figure. But Vajrayogini is a very large category of female deity. It comes out of the Chakrasambhara Tantras, comes out of a cycle of tantras. There's many Chakrasambhara tantras, different types of tantras, and a lot of the Vajrayogini teachings are chosen different parts of the different tantras, and they promote the female form in isolation, sometimes with a mandala, but not with a male consort. So we also have different appearances. Now, I want to talk about the Naropa tradition. What is called the Naropa tradition? Because actually, historically, people can have different ideas of what that means, because Naropa has a number of different traditions of Vajrayogini. However, in the Sakya, Jonang, and Gelug traditions, then there's a very clear Naropa tradition, which is also found in the Drukpa Kagyu in their art. So now, in appearance, Vajrayogini, according to the Naropa tradition of what we're talking about, stands with the 2 feet, the 2 legs down, pressing on Kalaratri and Bhairava, and she has her left arm raised, holding a skull cup, a skull bowl, and her head turned to the left and looking up to the sky. And in her right hand, she holds a curved knife that is extended downward and a Khatvanga staff across the left shoulder. Red in color, semi-peaceful, semi-wrathful, otherwise known as Rishi appearance. So this is the Vajrayogini we're talking about. We're not talking about Vajravarahi with a boar's head on the right side of the face or the top of the head. We're not talking about that form. We're talking about this form of Naropa tradition, Vajrayogini, which comes out of a short text written by Naropa where he teaches the 11 yogas of Naropa. Not the 6 dharmas of Naropa, but he teaches 11 yogas of Naropa. So this form, we have 3 main ways that this is depicted in art. One is and we're talking about painting now, because with sculpture you just have a single figure to form, and you cannot really spend a lot of time using it as an object for teaching. Now, with painting, we have 3 main types of paintings that depict the Naropa tradition of Vajrayogini. And one is where she's depicted as the main central figure at the center of the composition. That's very common. Now, the second is where she's depicted in her Khechara Pureland, meaning she's standing above 2 tetrahedrons that are merged together. Looks like a Star of David, located within a large palace structure. And above is the lineage of teachers, be it Sakya or Jonang or Gelug or Drukpa Kagyu. And then below are often Dharma protectors and some wealth protectors. So that's the second way. Now, the third way is a mandala configuration. And for mandala configuration, we have 2 types. We have the type where it's in a scroll painting where it's meant to hang vertically, and it's a depiction of the technical mandala of Vajrayogini. And then the second is a mandala plate. Now, a mandala plate is usually painted on cloth, like a scrollwork painting, but then it's glued or attached to a square wooden board, and it's meant to be placed flat in the center of a shrine. And but we have many examples of these in art, of these mandala plates for Vajrayogini. Other deities also can use a mandala plate. The most common are the Mahavairochana of the Sarvadurgati. There's a number of others. But with Vajrayogini, we have the 3 main ways she's depicted in painting. Singular figure surrounded by related or unrelated secondary figures, then placed in the Khechara Pureland, surrounded by the full lineage, and then as a mandala. These are the 3 types of depiction.